everyone. Welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly for the recipe of the week, and we're talking turkey.
We're talking turkey.
Cooking turkey.
Yes, you know, turkey's in full swing now.
Yeah.
And, you know, we've got some turkey thighs. So,
You like the thighs?
Yeah, I'm a thigh guy.
You are?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's got a lot more fat in it. It's got, you know, people, you know, go, oh, you know, I kind of didn't really use it. Know what? Why? They're great.
Yeah.
You know, but, you know, don't just use turkey thighs for this. You can use any of your fowl, your grouse, your pheasants, whatever you like. You know, just you can substitute out anything you want.
All right.
Just not chicken.
Not chicken?
Yeah, it's chicken season is over with.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Today we're making mango lemongrass Thai turkey. Okay.
Mango, lemongrass, Thai turkey.
Boom.
Yeah.
You got it.
Okay.
Okay, so turkey's all diced up. It's about 1-inch dice, so kind of good sized pieces. So we're going to start on that first. So we're going to get a little bit of oil.
Again, you always have to take the silver skin off there, right?
Yes, absolutely.
That's what makes it tough. And
Pan is smoking hot, and get her going.
all right, there we go. Moving around.
Okay, so
So you didn't marinate that with anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Just kind of spread it out so it gets good sear all around. And of course, you know, if it's too much, then you're gonna have to do it in batches. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Because you don't want it to steam. We're trying to get a good sear, letting that go.
And you want it even.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna work on two different things. So we're gonna work on a bunch of our aromatics. Okay. So we have some diced Thai chilies here. These are Thai chilies. These little tiny little guys. Be careful with them. They're super, super hot.
Firecrackers.
Firecrackers. Little. I mean, these guys are angry. Okay. I'm only gonna put.
They don't look angry.
No,
they
they
look
are.
tiny. They're deceiving.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So how much do you think you put in there of
That
these
was
little
about.
guys?
That was like 2.
2?
So.
How many would you put in it for yourself?
4.
4.
I'm a chili head.
You said
it. Of course, there's, you know, a shallot. That's what I just put in, guys. Make sure that they're kind of firm, no mold. Sometimes, you know, you go to the store, they're kind of not in the best shape.
Because they don't go through a lot of them?
Yes, exactly.
And so you just kind of have to pick and choose.
Okay. That was about 4 garlic cloves. I like a lot of garlic. Let's double check on our thing. Look at that. We're getting nice, good color. Okay.
Yeah.
This is lemongrass. Now, this is your lemongrass. You'll find it in the store. And it's a long stalk like this long. And you're going to cut the bottom half off and then peel the outside layers and then just use the center part and dice it like really fine because, you know, it's got a little chew to it, but just dice it up really fine and it'll be fine.
Okay.
So we're going to do about a full tablespoon lemongrass. Lemongrass is super aromatic.
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 Okay. Big words. Aromatic.
Okay. So
Technical term.
check up on our turkey. Getting really good color. Look at all that.
Yeah.
Try to get it all flipped over.
Smelling great.
Yes.
A lot of people are really iffy about using a wild turkey. And, you know, we've done them for Thanksgiving before. This is a great way to use the meat that you have in your freezer.
Yeah, because, you know, people go, oh yeah, let's do up that breast, and then they kind of forego the thigh, and they're like, then it kind of sits in the freezer for a while and kind of goes away.
Yeah, because everybody's after that big ooh and ah when you put a whole turkey on the table.
Oh yeah.
Right? But you like to cook it separately.
Yeah, I actually break down my my turkey separately. I cook the breast separately from the thigh, and yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to use a little bit of fish stock.
Okay.
About 2 tablespoons.
And that gives it a salt?
Yeah, this gives
That
a little,
adds the salt.
yeah, this is our salt for it. You notice I'm not putting any salt in there. About equal amounts of sugar, so 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of black pepper. We can go ahead and add our aromatics. There you go. We're going to take that.
Yep. Nice color.
Lots of fresh ground pepper. Please don't use that pre-ground stuff. Just get a pepper grinder and grind your own.
Yeah, I threw mine out.
Can't take you anywhere.
Well, I got tired of being shamed by it. Got me kosher salt and fresh ground pepper.
We're not using salt today.
Nope.
Nope. All right, we're almost getting there. We're kind of looking just for our shallots to start to get translucent, but we also don't want to get too much color on our garlic.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I brown my garlic a little bit too much sometimes.
Yeah, and then it just starts getting bitter. So now we're going to add our sauce. Try and get all that sugar in there. There you go.
Thank you.
Good. We're almost there.
All right.
All right.
What you got now?
So it's got some mango. Yeah. So our mango, we're going to just add there at the very last second because I really don't want to cook it. I want to keep it raw.
Okay.
Okay. And we're just looking for this to kind of dry out. We're almost there. Well, let's try some rice.
Okay. Let's see here.
So we're using some short grain rice today, guys, and it's a lot easier to eat than long grain rice. Usually the long grain rice, you know, if you're cooking it right now, it'd be kind of, you know, floppy, and this kind of stays in kind of a clumpy, kind of a easier to eat kind of thing. So
there you go. Wow. Yeah, that looks...
That's good. Then we're going to add our mango.
Colors are great.
Right. All right.
I'm going to enjoy this with some cauliflower rice, I believe.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. A little mango garnish on top there.
Look at that, how easy and just...
How fast did that go together?
Yeah,
I mean, it was like literally
10 minutes, right?
At most.
At most.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that is a very authentic Thai dish right there. Mango lemongrass Thai turkey.
Wow. Something different to do with your big game. Well, not quite big game.
Your
turkey.
big game birds.
Big game birds.
Yes.
And as we dig in, Chef, we're going to throw it back to the guys in the studio.